It'd be really cool to put all those things into one car and turn out a really bitchin' ride. My name's Craig Chaffers, and I've been here at Camber Speed Shop for about a little over 3 years, and I work in the final assembly. So we have a lot of cars here that once they're painted, we go ahead and do the final details, assembly engines, put them in there, and get it closer to wrapping up for the customer. I got into cars with my dad. It was just a natural thing, I guess, growing up. You know, you're in the little Hot Wheels and playing in the dirt with cars and trucks. So my dad had or still has a '54 Ford F100, and that got me into cars. My first car was a '67 Volkswagen Bug. It seems like a lot of people's first cars are Bugs, but this car was really cool. I started working on it when I was 13, and you know, as I got older, you know, in later teens, I guess, started really getting serious about it, and a good friend of mine, Michael Burley, really helped me take the Bug to the next level, and we were winning shows and we were in magazines, so that was a fun car. My favorite car that I've owned, well, I just picked up a '63 Buick Riviera, which is my dream car, and I can't say it's my favorite yet because I've only had it a while and we've been working on it. It still has still can, you know, make you mad, but I mean, so far it's heading in that direction to be my favorite car. I can't say I've ever had a worst car. I had a '64 Ford T-Bird, but it was lowered and had some cool wheels on it, so I can't say it was worst. I had a '99 Mazda Protege for a while, but it was a free car and can't really say it was the worst, so I don't think I had a worst car. I guess for hobby's sake, I like to create some metal artwork and paint them up and metal flake them and do some cool furniture stuff. So the hobby would be kind of designing some cool metal artwork. To pinpoint one thing that's your favorite part of your job can be tough, because we're getting paid to build cars for people and have fun and see something, take something from, you know, bucket of bolts to a show car. So I think every part of my day is the favorite part of my day. I think a dream project would be having a group of really cool, talented people, no egos, no attitudes, no dramas, and building a really cool car. Whether it's for a deserving person, whether it's charity, or even just a customer. Thank you for listening to my story here at Camber Speed Shop.